Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, this is kind of clickbait. I apologize for that. But I'm gonna talk about Rivian, Tesla suing Rivian over trade secrets, and there's a possibility that Solo Electrameccanica could get sued, but I don't think so. I really don't. But I think the biggest reason why Tesla sued Rivian is because Amazon is heavily invested in Rivian, and Elon Musk does not like Jeff Bezos. If he could, Elon just hates Jeff Bezos, period. And Rivian stole some workers from him and trade secrets, and Tesla, because Amazon is heavily invested into Rivian, Tesla is going after Rivian just to give Jeff Bezos some headache, just to give Jeff Bezos, yeah. So that's what I think, really, at the end of the day, what this is all about. Again, this is just me speculating, because I really like. Elon Musk came out to saying that, oh, I don't really care about, licensing out my technology. So if, because he doesn't really want to crush competitors, but he wants to crush Rivian because Jeff Bezos has a big investment in Rivian, and no, Elon doesn't like Jeff Bezos. Again, this is my speculation at the end of the day, and there's no real fundamentals behind what I'm saying, but speculation. So yeah, 178 ex Tesla employees. Wow. Okay, then wow, they actually stole quite a bit of Tesla employees. So yeah, I figured that, yeah, okay, maybe there's some justification behind that. But anyways, so why did I call this? Because EV maker Electrameccanica hires former Tesla executive as a sales director. So couldn't this sales director give away some trade secrets at Tesla? Because this was August 20, 2019. So obviously there could be some tension between Tesla and the executive. I really don't think so, because Elon doesn't really care about competition, and right now Electrameccanica can ask, I think this is actually really important. I think this is actually them hiring a Tesla executive gives them connection to Elon. So let's say if Electrameccanica wanted to use Tesla technology, well, the sales director used to work for Tesla, so the sales director could go to Elon Musk and be like, hey Elon, help us out, invest in our company, or rather help us out with our production and battery technology and stuff like that. Maybe they have a connection to Elon Musk. So I say that Electrameccanica should use this connection wisely and try to figure a way to do some kind of partnership with Tesla, because if that happens, I think the stock will skyrocket. It's just skyrocket, because Tesla is a big deal. Elon Musk is a big deal. Just having a partnership with Tesla will bring the branding of Electrameccanica up dramatically. Everyone will be like, oh, look, Electrameccanica is partnered up with Tesla. Just that kind of news announcement will prop up Electrameccanica stock in a big way. But I don't know if they'll do that. I hope they do that, but I don't think they'll do that. I mean, I hope they do that. I would do that if I was the CEO of Electrameccanica. I would totally figure a way to do a deal with Tesla, with Elon Musk, some kind of deal, just some kind of deal, and have a press release about it. And I think the stock would skyrocket. It would literally skyrocket. all the Tesla bulls would just buy the crap out of Electrameccanica stock, and it would skyrocket the stock. That's just my opinion. I don't know at the end of the day what it's gonna do. But how did I find this? All I did was type in Electrameccanica and Tesla. Hey, you know, it's funny to see my video on here. How Tesla partnering up with Electrameccanica SOLO. You know, like, I want that to happen. I made this video on July 1st, 2020. I bought into the stock around at the start of July, and it's been a very volatile ride so far. You know, it went all the way up to $6, crashed all the way back to like below $3, and now it's just hovering in the low threes. I still think that is a fantastic opportunity right now. But this is the article right here. So yeah. So it's real news. So yeah, what Solo right now is $3.18. I mean, could Solo go down low? Oh, look, it's actually going low. It's $3.13. How low will it go? I don't know at the end of the day. I don't know where the market's going to take it. I think it's probably just going to hover around $3 for a while. It could go all the way down to $2.50 if short sellers manage to convince people to sell and get rid of their stock and plummet the stock down to $2.50. It's totally possible. I'm not selling. I'm just going to bitch about it when it hits $2.50 and buy more stock. That's my plan. But not financial advice to anyone. That's just my personal plan. If this thing goes to $2.50, I'm picking up more stock. I just think it's so undervalued at $2.50. Let's just look at the facts. Electrameccanica has $50 million on the balance sheet. So right now, their stock is, their market cap, 25% of the market cap is just in cash. So I would call that kind of undervalued, but that's just my opinion. So we'll see what happens in the future. I think once those delivery numbers come out, there'll be some excitement. There's going to be a temporary push to the upside, maybe $5, $6, and then probably a pullback after that to like back to $4 or something. Unless Elon Musk comes out, and unless they make a partnership with Elon Musk, some kind of partnership with Elon Musk, I think the stock could go all the way up to $10 and stay there. You know, that's just my opinion, right? I don't know at the end of the day if that will happen. $10 would probably give it an evaluation of, I would say, $700 million, I think. $600 million. Because it has 60 million shares. $640 million because it has 64 million outstanding shares right now. So that will give it a market cap of 640 million. So $20 is like roughly over $1 billion, like $1.2 billion. Will it hit $20? Maybe. There's always a possibility. Anything's possible in the market. If the right press release comes out, yeah, absolutely. So long term, I do believe eventually we will see $20 on Electrameccanica. Short term, probably not. Like in the next in 2020. Probably not. Maybe in 2021 it might hit $20. Who knows? But if it hit $20, you'd be laughing to the bank. I would be laughing to the bank. Well, I don't know. Sometimes it's just patience will pay off. I think once they start delivering cars and they start selling it and then they start showing it on their financial report and then they release the Tofini and people are like, oh, the Tofini is sweet, and big money start pummeling money into Electrameccanica, and you know the stock could skyrocket. So we'll see what happens, but it's a business. It's not gonna go bankrupt, and I think over time they will succeed. That's just my opinion, especially if they can get a partnership deal with Tesla. Quest Capital Incorporation, QSC. So yeah, huge volume today. It was trading 8.71 million shares. I don't know where the stock price is gonna go. I seriously don't. But all the volume is actually coming in from Canada, surprisingly. It's not coming from the US, it's coming in from Canada. Because if we look on the US side, it's only traded 431,000 volume, while on the Canadian side, it's traded 8.8 million. So there are rich people in Canada that are trading the stock in massive amount of volume, and that's pushing the stock price up. Will it continue? I don't know at the end of the day. I really don't know. I hope so. I don't know at the end of the day if big money is going to keep pushing this up. They could not. But, remember Sona, Nanotech? Does this stock deserve to be $14.40? I don't think so. So could Quest Capital be worth $1? There's a possibility. But will big money push it up to $1? I have no idea. It's a gamble on big money at the end of the day. Will big money push this thing up to $1? Maybe, maybe not. Now, moving on, BLNK. BLNK is down $1.95 today. Still too dangerous for me. Shell Taurus Acquisition Corp, down 21 cents, 1.11%. Not too much to say about that. Candy Technologies. Candy Technologies. You want some candy? Anyways, Candy Technologies down today, $1.87. Basically a pump and dump. Could be an opportunity. But it could also go back down to $4. I think $4 is a no-brainer because it was based because $4 acts as a huge support because it never really went below $4. I mean, yeah, it's been $3.89, $3.87. So I think if the stock hits $4, I think it's a no-brainer buy. And you would have to gamble on big money pumping the stock again once financials come out. They could do well. Who knows? They could do well in the US with the ugly cars. But big money, stocks are worth as much as rich people are willing to pump. So rich people want to keep pumping the stock, it'll go up. If Donald Trump went and be like, I like this candy car, the stock will skyrocket. Literally, if he drove in one of these candy cars, the stock will skyrocket. Because anything Trump does, the entire world is watching Trump. So if Trump does something, or mentions some kind of stock, the stock will go up. Because Trump has that kind of power. Because there's so many people watching him. Spartan Energy, if Trump was to promote Spartan Energy, or Fisker, the stock would skyrocket. So yeah, Trump has a lot of power. So if Trump promoted Aurora, it would skyrocket. Kron is down 5 cents. Afria is down 20 cents, 26 cents. Oh, so I feel so bad for the bank holders. So bad. I wish I bought some put options this morning. Oh well, too late now. I would probably be more bullish than bearish at this moment, but could it keep going down? Absolutely. Very good butchers. I wonder why they don't list on the OTC on the US side. I think a lot of US people would buy very good butchers. Very good food companies buy the stock anyways. I think a lot of US people would buy very good butchers, very good food company. I think that the management probably is waiting for a production facility to set up a production facility in the US first before they list on the US exchange. I think they want to build a production facility, set it up, and then list on the US exchange. Or maybe they want to skip the OTC completely and eventually list on the US exchange on the NASDAQ and just completely skip the OTC. that would be awesome if they did that. And you know, I don't know, like obviously there's a lot of money in the Canadian market, because if we look at a company like QuestCap, which is trading at 8.8 million, you know, like very could get pushed up by big money in on the Canada side if they wanted to. But will they? I have no idea. I mean, I would prefer more retail investors. I would prefer very good food company to have a massive base of retail investors in Canada, like hundreds of thousands of retail investors. Why? Because that builds a strong branding. Because a lot of times shareholders become customers. So if a lot of people invest into very good food company, then, you know, when it skyrockets, a lot of people will be very grateful to very good food company, and they'll buy their products on a consistent basis. Because why? Because everybody has to eat. Everybody has to eat, and eating healthy, like very good food company delivers healthy, plant-based foods, and you know, eating healthy is always a good thing. Like eating too much meat is not good for you. KODK company is down $9.04. Not too much to say about that. Space is down 3.1%. Elevate Credit Incorporation down 8 cents. Yeah, today's just a bad, ugly day. The market, everything is like red. Oil's red. You know, the entire market's red except for like the Apple, the Amazon, the FANG stocks that just had earnings. Those are the only guys that are green. Space is also like red today. I think Space is going down lower. Let's look at AMD. AMD is down today, red day today. That's a good thing. That's good. That's good that AMD had a pullback. It brings down the RSI level, you know, and that's really good, because you don't want this thing to be in the oversold territory. You want it to be, you know, RSI to be around 60, but maintain its price target of $76, because I think that there will be another blast off in the future, but the RSI needs to go down a little bit. So it's good that it's pulling back. Good, in my opinion. Beyond Meat, down 2 cents. Canadian Nickel Company down to $2.08. The lower it goes, the more of an opportunity becomes. I'm hoping to see this thing go down to around $1.70. This is where I would buy some more. I do have a position a little bit underwater right now, but it's not a huge position, so I don't really care that I'm underwater. Like, I'm down like $1,000 or $2,000. It's not a big deal to me. If Elon Musk ever makes a deal with Canadian Nickel Company, I think the stock would skyrocket like no tomorrow. Like, all the US people would just buy it up, and they'll end up with like a NASDAQ listing, and we would see the stock trade at like $10. But will Elon Musk do it? He might. He might invest into Canadian Nickel Company. Who knows? We'll see. Liberal Health Science is down 4 cents. True Eve is up 10 cents. Harvest Health is down 10 cents. Kira is up 7 cents. MedMan is trading sideways. Harvest Health is up 10 cents. Not too much to say about that. Let's look at some of the other companies like Vero Health up 2 cents. How about Slang? Slang is just trading sideways. And did I look at Kira already? Cresco Labs today, up 3 cents. GTI down 17 cents. Not too much to say about this, but Bitcoin Bitcoin is safe. Bitcoin's rallying. And then Hive blockchain technology. What is Hive doing? Hive is up 2 cents. So yeah, Hive is kind of linked to Bitcoin. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.